Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you another memory dex card that I created. This one was using the same paper pad that I used in my previous video. And what I did, I cut it out, my template that I use for using this die cut here. I only have two, and this is the one I tend to gravitate towards. So I used this paper design here. I took my thread that I received or bought at Dollarama, and I taped the whole entire back. And I started the thread from the middle, and then I just wrapped it around. And every time I went in the back, I made sure that it adhered to the sticky part. And then I just went around again, and then I kind of made it fan out a little bit so that it just came three, the three strands kind of just went out. And so then I put some gold sequin on it, and I put this butterfly. This is the gold foil butterfly. I used these four thread that I have. I just bought those at Walmart, and I just put them on the back, or underneath, sorry. They were shaped like a bow, but I kind of like when they when I cut them and they flare out, almost like eyelash trim, but not quite, but flares like that. It's just separate little individual pieces. And then I came over and I used these birthstone gems. I used the month of November because it was gold, and I just put the three there, and then I put Stay Curious. I popped that out, made that a little 3D looking. And as mentioned, I put tape all on the back of here. So then I took a blank one and I just stuck it to the back just to make it a little bit more sturdy. But that's what I created. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.